New York Institute of Fashion. At NIF Global, South Mumbai and Borivali centers, we empower students with capabilities and qualities that qualify you to showcase your talent at the biggest and the best global platforms. If you are passionate about design, we are here to mold you and bring to you the best opportunities and industry exposure to give you a bustling career ahead. Along with industry partners like Lakme Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, Dubai Fashion Week, and Femina Miss India. Learn with the best from the industry like Manish Malhotra, Ashley Rebello, Gauri Khan, and Twinkle Khanna as your mentors. Start your learning journey with us with the encouraging and supporting environment, a great infrastructure, internship opportunities, and 100% placement assistance. So let's have a creative journey together here at NIF Global South Mumbai and Borivali centers. See you soon.